energy. It's one of our most precious commodities. It's expensive and absolutely required to get just about anything done. As demand for energy fluctuates throughout the day, the price of energy also fluctuates. And for large energy customers like military installations, that peak demand translates into a lot of money.
In 2011, the Assistant Secretary of the Army for Installations and Environment, Catherine Hammock, she said, well, you know, let's push this energy initiative.
So what does that mean exactly? It means they're working to zero out all waste, water, and energy consumption. And they're taking aggressive steps to reach that goal by 2020, and it's already paying for itself.
We expect to save about $1 million a year on water costs because our potable water costs us about $7 a thousand gallons, whereas when we reclaim the water, we pay for it, but it costs us about $1 a thousand gallons.
Not so far away, the AirForce Academy is also getting in on the act, installing solar panels and taking many of the same initiatives to reduce their carbon footprint and zero out their waste. That means solar, recycling, and water management are all being addressed. It's a win-win situation. Energy costs go down, creating substantial monetary savings. Much of this progress wouldn't be possible at Fort Carson or the AirForce Academy without partnership with industry, helping build their renewables infrastructure.
They were privatizing their distribution system. So we worked with them very, very closely to rebuild 2 of their substations, rebuild their distribution infrastructure all the way down to their distribution transformers.
Colorado Springs Utilities qualifies for grants and rebates military installations don't. But by partnering with and working with Fort Carson, the installation is able to take advantage of those grants and rebates when they otherwise would not qualify for them. From generating renewable energy to processing and using reclaimed water, no area is off limits. These military installations, along with their industry partners, armed with science, are making the world a more renewable and sustainable place to live.